Okay, this is a 2006 Morphous. You can see in there that milky shake looking stuff. It's because I got coolant in my oil. So I drained the oil and I took the oil filter out, and in there, look at all that black stuff. That's like paint. Like, did they paint the inside of this stuff? Somebody let me know, because I'm cleaning it out. Okay, that looks a lot better in there where the oil filter goes from the last time. All it took was a gun cleaning kit and an artist paintbrush and some brake cleaner, and I finally got it all out of there. All that old, what I thought was paint, which is that stuff there, flaky, black. And now I'm thinking that that stuff came from that heat exchanger over my water pump area. And that's why I have of course that's why I'm going in there after that, because I've got coolant in my oil. So I think that's all connected there. We'll see. Well, here it is. I just pulled the filter screen out. And look at all this paint flakes that's in there. There's some of the spring. Filter got some. There's some more. Yep. And of course, you know what the side where the actual oil filter was like. It looked like somebody spray painted inside. So I finally got that all cleaned out. And now I've drained this filter screen. So I think I got a real mess. But I'll get her cleaned up and get into that fuel heat exchanger and finally get it straightened up, and we'll see how it runs. This is what happens when you get coolant in your oil. You could have a real problem.